Today we're going to talk about odd numbers. Remember you met Jacob and Amber when we were talking about even numbers? Well, we are going to see if they can help us learn about odd numbers. So we have 7 raspberries. If we give Jacob and Amber the same amount of raspberries, they will have an even number. But look it, Jacob has 4 and Amber has 3. That's not equal. Jacob has more raspberries, so 7 is an odd number. We cannot share 7 raspberries equally between 2 people. Let's put the raspberries back and try the blueberries. There are 13 blueberries. So if we give 1 to Jacob and 1 to Amber, and we split these blueberries into 2, let's see if they are even or odd. So they each have 5. Now they each have 6, and there's 1 left over. So if we gave it to Jacob, he would have more than Amber. So 13 is not an even number. It's not equal. Let's put the blueberries back and look at the cookies. There are 5 cookies. We give 1 to Jacob, 1 to Amber, and we split them evenly. Jacob has an extra cookie. So 5 is not an even number. It's an odd number. Let's look at numbers using our 10 frame. So now we don't have any people, but we do have a 10 frame. And remember in the even numbers, we talked about every number having a double or a partner. So let's look at the bears. If we put 1 here and 1 here, that's 2. That's an equal number because they each have a partner. 1 here and 1 here, that's an equal number. They each have a partner. This bear goes here and this bear goes here. That's an equal number because they each have a partner. This little bear is left out. 7 is not an even number because this little guy doesn't have a partner. So 7 is an odd number. Let's look at these bears. If we set them in the 10 frame, we can tell whether 11 is an even or an odd number. So here is 4. That's an even number because each bear has a partner. 6 is an even number. Now 7 would be an odd number because this bear wouldn't have a partner. But let's keep on going because our number is 11. Now there we have 10. It fills the 10 frame and we have 1 bear left. He does not have a partner. So we know 11 is an odd number. Let's look at these bears. Let's fill our 10 frame and see, does every bear have a partner? If they do, it's an even number. If they don't, it's an odd number. So that 10 frame is full. There are 10 in there. 10 we know is an even number, but we have some more bears to go here. Uh-oh, this bear does not have a partner. So 15 is an odd number. So that's how you can tell whether a number is even or odd using a 10 frame. Let's look at our hundreds chart. So on the hundreds chart, we know that one can't be split evenly because it's just 1. So it's an odd number. And 3, 5, 7, and 9 are all odd numbers. So if we keep going, 11 is an odd number, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Can you see the pattern? Our odd numbers end with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. You could keep going on this chart and fill in all the odd numbers. Let's see if we circle the numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. 43, 19, 21, 15, 3, 77. These numbers are all odd numbers because they end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So what do we know about odd numbers? What makes an odd number? The last digit must end in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. And an odd number does not split equally.